Want to know my favorite go-to recipe for a creamy, dairy-free salad dressing? Watch this video to find out. Hey everybody, it's Allison, Prep Dish founder, and today I'm sharing with you my go-to paleo ranch dressing. It's super creamy, but also dairy-free. Let's go ahead and jump right in with the recipe. I'm gonna show you how I make my dairy-free paleo ranch dressing. I start off with the base, which is 1 cup of olive oil. Put that into my blender. And then next is some coconut milk. This is full fat. This is what replaces the dairy in your typical ranch dressing. And next, 2 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar. This is what gives it that nice tang, so definitely don't skip that. And then the garlic, it needs to be peeled, but I also like to give it a nice crush to make sure that it really gets nice and blended in. You could use powdered. Fresh garlic's gonna give it a better flavor. Make sure the skin's off. Here's the second one. And then salt and pepper. I'm gonna add the herbs, but I actually am going to blend this before adding the herbs. Otherwise, it can get a bitter taste. The herbs can make it a little bitter. So I'm gonna pause and blend what's in here and come back for the parsley. Okay, so I've blended everything really well, just mainly to get that garlic nice and blended. So the last ingredient is just some fresh parsley. I'm gonna do a large handful and take that back to the blender and do kind of 2 or 3 pulses, just enough to chop that. Okay, so the parsley has been added. Now I'm gonna just pour this in. And you can serve this over salad, however you like. I really like mine with some veggies. So I of course love how rich and creamy this dressing is. It does not taste like it's dairy free, but I also love it for its versatility. So I use it as a salad dressing, but also as a dip for veggies. So kids love it. It's also good if I'm entertaining and doing a crudité platter or something like that. If you're looking for more dairy-free alternatives, I have a video with 10 whole food, real food, dairy-free alternatives like this dressing. You'll never know they're dairy-free, so that's linked here. And then I'm also linking a video on a simple lemon herb vinaigrette, also dairy-free, really easy, one of my favorites, so check that out as well. And then if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with a friend. I will see you in the next one.